I'm Ruben Gutierrez. I'm from Fontana, California. I'm the owner of RTE Welding. At RTE Welding, we repair tank trailers. We work on truck tanks, semis, pull trailers. I got 20-year guys, 15-year guys, 10-year guys. They're like family to me, all of them. And we have a great team. In our industry, it's not actually doing the work. It's actually preparing safety-wise before we do the work, because there could be propane tank, it could be a gas tank, it could be any kind of hazardous flammable tanker that we can cause death or major injury. My personal fear in my company is somebody getting hurt so bad or not going home to their loved ones. I don't know what I'd do if something happened like that. So I'm overboard on safety with my guys. I want to make sure they get home to their families every night. I think it's the responsibility of all of us to make sure that happens.
Code Blue, man down, Bay 3.
What's going on, Jeff?
Man down in here, he's not responding.
Code Blue, guys, we got a man down.
Start the clock.
Code Blue, we got a man down.
Hey, we're timing this now, 2 minutes. Code Blue, let's go. 10 seconds. Come on, guys, let's go. 20 seconds. Let's get him out of here. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Guys like me, we rely on people like State Fund. They help me with understand regulations and rules and different things that apply to my industry.
Okay, watch his feet.
For me, they not only provide me my workman's comp that I'm supposed to have, they do more than that. They're part of my safety team.
Ambulance waiting over here.
In the big picture, State Fund gives me peace of mind. Not only here in my business, but in my life. State Fund brings it to us, we bring it to all the employees, and they take it home to their families. So safety is just not here, safety is within the person, and State Fund helps to bring it there.